Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and this is an introductory video to tell you about the idea behind our mini project that we are going to build from scratch. So in this project we are going to make use of EC2 instance, Docker and Jenkins to deploy a Python based web app and make it accessible from internet. In the phase 1 of this project we will follow this flowchart where we will first create an EC2 instance, install Docker on it, clone the GitHub repository where our code is present, and in that code there is a Docker file. We will use that file to build a Docker image, and with the help of that Docker image we will spin up our container which will host our Python based web app, and that will be accessible from the public IP address of the EC2 instance. Coming to the advanced phase of this project, we are going to install Docker and Jenkins on the EC2 instance, and then we will configure a CI/CD pipeline which will basically automate all this process which we did manually in our phase 1, that is getting the code from the GitHub repository and building the Docker image from that code and deploying or spinning up a container which will host our web app. So all these stages will be automatically done by Jenkins with the help of a CI/CD pipeline. So if this sounds interesting to you, let's get started. Stay tuned with me. Thanks for watching.